Hi, I'm Simone. I'm a teacher of the Sound Healing Academy here in Ireland. And today I would like to talk about all the workshop courses we are offering in Ireland. Some people find it quite overwhelming and they don't really know where to start and where to go next. So think about where you are with sound healing. What did you experience already and where you might go? So is it more for yourself to dive deeper into sound healing, maybe for self-care, for self-healing, or if you want to share this with your friends and your families, or if you're already a therapist and want to bring in basic techniques into your therapy session. So then it's a good start at the foundation course, and where we're covering 6 different instruments, like working with Tibetan singing bowls, the master of relaxation, and we also work with crystal singing bowls, and there's another instrument as well, easy to transport. They're called tuning forks, unweighted ones. We keep it simple, just a set of 2. We work also with weighted tuning forks. We're applying them on the body to release any stuck energy, stiff muscles, and we also work with handheld frame drums and as well handheld gongs, just to show you my one here. And but we also work with the voice, so with our healing voice. In the workshop, it's a very practical workshop, working in pairs, working either off the body or on the body, and it's a learning and a great experience. So you're experiencing the healing power of sound yourself. We also have 2-day courses, specific courses, where, for example, we're diving deeper 2 days into Tibetan singing bowls. So either the 4-day foundation course or one of the specific instrument workshop like singing bowls or tuning forks. And then if you want to progress further, you can go to the diploma course. So the diploma course is either working with one-to-one clients or with groups. You can do either this, or you can do both of them, whatever works for you. And so when you're becoming sound healing practitioner, you're able to work with the public, get insurance for this, and just it's a great way of working and sharing your passion for healing sounds. Okay, if you have any questions, just drop me an email or we can have a chat on the phone. I'm more than happy to support you and deciding what's the best for you. Okay, thank you.